Welcome to Longley Intelligent Equipment Workshop. Today we are going to explore the prepared conditions that should be considered for the successful installation of a bead mill. Firstly, check the weight of machine as specified in the technical data. The dynamic load on the ground should be approximately 100 kN, ensuring a stable foundation. Ensure sufficient space around the machine for easy bucket placement. When selecting the location of machine, we must consider that there is enough operating space around to facilitate the installation and connection of cooling water pipes, air inlet pipes, and electric wires for convenient maintenance. Pay attention to the installation ambient temperature, maintaining it between 5 degrees centigrade and 40 degrees centigrade. Avoid temperature lower than the freezing point to prevent freezing, ensuring the bead mill operates smoothly in the specified temperature range. And last, conduct thorough checks. Refer to the instruction manual and verify the temperature, pressure, and flow rate of the cooling water. Confirm the specified pressure and flow rate for compressed air, and double-check the power supply details, ensuring the current voltage, phase, wire, frequency, and current as outlined in the manual.